today I'm doing a big meal prep for the week. Actually, I am going away for the week. So this is partly like meal prepping for a week of going away. Now, meal prep can be really scary in the beginning because you get overwhelmed. Like you need to have a whole entire menu plan. So I'm not a vegan. I am majority plant-based, majority raw, a bit of cooked, very organic. So when I travel, I feel a little bit nervous because will I get the food I need? I love using Good Life organic spices and superfoods, and you're gonna see it all in my prep. First up, breakfast. I'm making a superfood mix with chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. They're already roasted because I love them. I use my superfood mix with a smoothie or with some fruit, and then it's ready to go. For lunch, I'm only prepping 3 meals because I like to keep it as fresh as possible. The dinner dish. I put some peppers in the oven without any oil, only salt. Add it to my pumpkins. Most of what I've made is plant-based because I know that I'll most probably get some protein things there. Separately, in an extra container, I am taking some chickpeas. I don't have a high enough countertop to show you all of this. I'm a big Himalayan salt person. Ching, ching, ching. Just a little bit of sweet paprika. I don't measure, I just sprinkle. Cumin, we sprinkle that in. Cayenne pepper to give it a kick. What we have? And chickpea. Yum. Power of a spice. Ooh, cayenne pepper. So now I have this salad dressing, which is very random. I don't know how I got it, but I invented this salad dressing. I think it's quite genius. I put in the NutriBullet thingy some water, and then I take tahini. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. I did warn you, it's strange. Excuse my hands. I am putting sweet potato. This is like a roasted sweet potato. Plonk. Roasted without oils or anything. Now for the fun part, bring on the sweet paprika. I like the sweet paprika, it's different. It really is sweeter than normal paprika, so I put it in everything. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Cayenne pepper, not too much. Don't want too much of a kick. No, 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 no. Coriander seeds, give it a nice punch. Some salt, yes please. Cumin, we're gonna blitz.